Discover how the historic Charleston Foundation is revolutionizing the way we experience history, making it accessible and engaging through mobile-first solutions. Blair Phillips, Director of Communications, emphasizes the simplicity and ease of these tools. The historic Charleston Foundation is a leader in preserving Charleston's rich history. Located in Charleston, SC, it attracts over 100,000 visitors annually and has a dedicated membership of over 3,000 since its founding in 1947. The foundation is committed to expanding how Charleston's history is interpreted and shared. Through digital tools and research, it offers a dynamic process for exploring the city's past, encouraging active participation and engagement. By adopting Cuseum's innovative platform, the foundation has transformed visitor experiences. This shift to digital tools has reduced operational pressure and enhanced visitor satisfaction, offering a more personalized and interactive journey. The foundation faced challenges in sharing comprehensive stories without overwhelming staff. Printed materials were limited, and guided tours couldn't meet all visitor needs, highlighting the need for a more flexible solution. Cuseum offers a seamless way to share history through self-guided tours and digital content. With easy access via mobile devices, it enhances visitor satisfaction and adapts to evolving institutional needs without new infrastructure. Cuseum simplifies the creation of app-based tours, turning stories and maps into engaging mobile experiences. It allows for easy updates and content expansion, ensuring a fresh and dynamic visitor experience. Cuseum has significantly enhanced visitor engagement at historic sites. With mobile tours and adaptable content, it provides a richer experience for all visitors, regardless of time or staffing levels, making history more accessible and enjoyable. Blair Phillips shares a positive experience with Cuseum, highlighting the successful collaboration and expressing a desire to continue working together to enhance visitor experiences at the historic Charleston Foundation. Cuseum offers a comprehensive platform for enhancing audience interaction and loyalty. Schedule a free digital membership demo to explore how Cuseum can transform your institution's engagement with visitors in the digital age.